So finally, OpenAI released the official ChatGPT app for iOS. The ChatGPT app syncs your conversation, supports voice input, and brings our latest model improvements to your fingertips. As you probably know, there were a lot of third-party apps, just like an app clients which were using ChatGPT API. Now finally there is an official ChatGPT app. Seems it will be using ChatGPT 4 capabilities, and then you can just basically use all the features of ChatGPT just on your mobile fingertips. And if you're using ChatGPT on mobile, it's so much easier to use it in the app instead of just going to the Google Chrome or Safari browser or anything. So currently it's only available in US and will expand to additional countries in the coming weeks. Android users, your next ChatGPT will be coming soon to your device. So here is the app, and then you can see developer OpenAI, and then you can just click to install it. That's basically the official app by OpenAI, 42 megabytes. It was just released, and now you can just open it up, and then you can sign in with Google, Apple, or email, and then just there you have it.